Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro's latest onboarding updates. So first of all, we are going to see the onboarding mail from the company and what is the onboarding date which is in the next upcoming days, and after that we are going to talk about the latest mail which is related to the profile update mail, and that is for mostly for elite candidates, which means that elite candidates are soon to expect their joinings in the month of March and April. Next, we are going to see the updates for onboarding for phase 1, phase 2 and turbo candidates, and finally we are also going to see some of the latest mails from the company. So let's start. And first of all, we have this important update from the company that recently elite phase 1 and phase 2 candidates are getting, some of the candidates are getting this kind of mail wherein they are asked to upload or complete their details on the ICIMS profile. So this mail states that please click here to access the ICIMS desktop. You may use forgot your password if you do not remember your password. Part to access the verification portal, you have to go to background verification and then you have to click on fill more profile details, and then you have to update some of the details like declaration, personal details and educational details. Now there is a note that 7th and 8th semester mark sheets to be uploaded as soon as the results are given to you, and for BCA and BSc candidates 5th and 6th semester mark sheets are to be uploaded, and for provisional degree certificates has to be uploaded if you receive from the university. If you have received and if you haven't uploaded yet, please make sure to upload. Course completion certification to be uploaded as soon as the final semester results are declared. So these all details you have to complete on the background verification portal, and just in case if you are not aware of how to do it, I have already created a video on the channel. Make sure to check it. I will leave the link in the description box also. Moving on to the next important update. So first of all, let's talk about the PJP mail update. So this mail is also received by some candidates. This mail states that accelerate and amplify your future readiness through self-learning initiative. Greetings from Wipro. We are pleased to announce the launch of PJP. The aim of PJP is to ensure that you learn the foundation of the latest technology relevant in today's digital world and are future ready. Basically, PJP is a program that Wipro conducts, and in this you can do several courses and you can learn in a better way before joining the company. We have scheduled an orientation session with the leaders from Wipro who will help you to understand the process better. Please make a note to attend the session to get all your queries answered to and ensure a smooth learning experience. Please find the below session details. Now this mail has been mostly received by the candidates who are from WILP and not by most of the students who are from elite and turbo. So in this means that this is for WILP candidates. If you are anyone who is from elite phase 1 or phase 2 and have received this mail, make sure to comment down below. Now talking about the latest onboarding date. So latest onboarding date that the company has given is 2nd of March, and this is the mail with respect to it. This mail states that onboarding update, mandatory documents to be uploaded. Dear candidate, greetings from Wipro. This is to inform with respect to your onboarding scheduled for 2nd of March 2023. Below are the documents which you are required to upload in the ICIMS portal, and the path is again given to you, that is background verification and fill more profile details. Mandatory documents are 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and undergraduate semester mark sheet and course completion certificate. So again, if you are not aware about how to complete it, make sure to check the background verification video which I have uploaded on the channel. Now let's see what about the onboarding updates of elite and turbo candidates. So first of all, talking about the onboarding updates of elite phase 1 and phase 2 candidates. So we have recently seen that the company has sent feedback or ICIMS mail that to complete the profile. So this mail is received by phase 1 candidates. So mostly in the upcoming days, phase 1 candidates are going to get their joinings in the month of March and April. Talking about phase 2, so phase 2 candidates have not received any kind of mail as of now, neither related to the ICIMS profile and nor related to the PJP. So phase 2 have a little lesser chances to get the joinings in the upcoming days, but yes, sure, if the company starts the onboarding for phase 1, definitely they are going to parallelly give the joinings for the phase 2 also. Now talking about the turbo candidates. So turbo candidates recently were given a chance to take up the elite role if they want. So if for those who have taken the elite role, they are going to be onboarded in the month of March, and for those who have not taken, for them there is no update as of now. Company has not given like when are they going to give the joinings further in the upcoming days. So turbo candidates are given an option from the company to take up the elite role if they want so, and this is a mail that you can see in the screen where it is mentioned that Currently, we have certain project engineer roles available for the recruitment with an annual compensation of rupees 3.5 lakhs. We would like to offer you the Velocity graduates in 23 batch an opportunity to offer these roles, which means that company is having the positions for project engineers. So that is why they are going to hire the elite candidates. So these are the latest updates as of now. Just in case if you are not aware about how to complete the background verification, and if you have any doubts related to it, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any more doubts related to the onboarding of Wipro, let me know in the comment section that too. Make sure to join us on Telegram and Instagram, and if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to do so. Thanks and all the best for your upcoming joinings.